Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. So today we're going to be putting the Akrapovic or Akrapovic, however you want to say it, on the new Panigale V4R. So yeah, let's crack on with the video. Right, so this, oh look, see that on there? Right, so this is the V4R. We're going to stick their exhausts on this, coming in. What's with a white t-shirt today?
I couldn't find the other one.
You look a bit different. Look at this bike, man. Right, so we're going to put the exhaust for the full system on this now.
Pulled him with the old white t-shirt.
That's right. Do you know what? I just said to him, what's with a white t-shirt?
Yeah, look, he's flexed up.
Just got to wait for that to stop. Oh, you stopped. Yeah, so what's with a white t-shirt?
I don't know, it's just...
This is a new thing.
What?
I don't know if I like it.
That's early 80s.
Hold on. If you unzip that,
up,
you know what he's got on there? Relax. Frankie Goes to Hollywood.
You know what he looks like? He looks like he's from West Side Story.
Is this because the weather's getting better? Well, is it getting better?
No.
Right, so this bike, we've already seen this bike. Paul's going to do his favourite, strip this down.
Do you know what? I might have a cup of tea first.
Yeah, we could have a cup of tea first. Right, so that's it. The V4R, we've obviously done the other video of this, didn't we? So now we're going to put this, the Akrapovic, or should we say the proper way? Do you know the proper way?
Proper British.
There's loads of different ways, but because we're Essex, London people, it's Akrapovic, alright?
Yeah.
We'll get this exhaust out in a minute and we'll have a look at it. But we might as well get all this off first, didn't we? Quite a lot of work involved in one of these, isn't it?
We're going to get all this off.
You look tired doing it already, thinking of it.
I've had enough.
Have you? You haven't even started. Guess this for the price?
Oh, I always guess wrong. 7,000.
Oh, you're close. £7,441.20. So £7.5 grand.
Wow.
On
top of the cost of the bike.
Bike, 38,995. So 46.5 grand. And this has had the mirrors.
Oh yeah.
And the indicators on it already. Oh, and the frame protectors that we've done in the other video.
Yeah.
Cody, what are you doing? Putting specs on. 7% more power. Because you need that. 7% more torque in medium revs. 5 kilos lighter. So it roughly works out about 240 brake horsepower and 169 kilos. Is that a lot? What do you reckon your Kawasaki weighs?
398 pounds.
What's that? 200
kilos?
Yeah. So they're about 200 kilos and what? 75 brake horsepower. This is 240 brake horsepower and 40 kilos less.
I'd still give it a go.
Would ya? Right, so yeah, we've got a bit of doing taking off of stuff. Got to take all this fairing off. Have a look at. Maybe we'll show a little bit. Won't show no secrets, though, eh?
No secrets. And we've got secrets.
And then we'll start it up. And if the weather's still good, we'll have a ride of it, eh?
Oh, we're going to ride it.
Let's see what a 240 brake horsepower Panigale feels like. Oh, and there is another bit you have to buy.
What?
You have to buy a little bit of fairing. So you can either buy complete new lowers or you buy another little bit of fairing because obviously the pipe's not there. So that's another 150 quid.
Oh yeah.
Come on, look what I found.
What you got now?
The last stray bourbon.
Is it the last one?
You want one? Yeah. You want it or not? So
Yeah.
messing about. Right.
Anya,
What?
been to every prostate check 6 times this week.
Didn't
All
even
with a
need
different woman each time. Everyone's a winner.
Apart from the person with the finger.
They do complain, but you know.
They're only at the bus stop, that's why they complain. One bit off. Might as well hang that up, shall we?
Yeah. That's what's behind it.
Yeah. Right, so first, what do we have to do? You've got to take all this off.
All
get
of it.
the rads and that forward.
Yep.
Take all that off. We've got to get to the pipe work in there, which is behind there.
And that's the easy bit, because the hard bit's at the back.
This is the bit you like, innit? The squirting.
Cody's interested, look, do you see that?
That's your first one of them.
First one of these. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. It's lucky you've got photographic memory, innit?
Yeah, some photographs.
Yeah. What, from Razzle 1975?
Exactly.
Listen to any more of what they call Brother in the Hood or something?
Playing for change.
Playing for change, yeah.
Yeah, I listen to Brother in the Hood as well.
Ain't you been watching nothing then?
I found this YouTube channel, Project Moto.
Oh, did ya? Any good?
Yeah, I've heard it's quite good. There's
It's
some
all
knobs
right.
on it, but
So you've got another day off. You've had days off. I can't. The amount of days off. You've had more days off in the last 2 weeks than you've been at work.
it's been bank holiday.
Your arms look quite brown with your white t-shirt on. You know we started this late in the day.
Yeah.
So for continuity, you're gonna have to wear a white t-shirt again. You know it, don't you?
Yeah.
Right. So you're nearly there.
I think it's that time. It's that time. I can feel it. Tea time. Show you how easy it is that these come off.
Yeah,
I've undone the bolts, right?
Yeah.
Ready? They're as easy as that.
Well, that's probably where most of the 5 kilos is saved through that. Right, so you got the easy bit off the cover, ain't ya? Yeah. Now you got to do the worst bit, getting in there. That's the hard bit, isn't it?
It's a hard bit. Love's bolting in. I'm going down the cash point.
Gonna go and get some cash out, are ya? That's it. Well, that was easy, wasn't it?
Really easy. All right.
Then we just got to get the other one on there, haven't we?
Let's see what we've got in the box, shall we? So this box,
Yeah.
£7,000.
7.5. Let's see what we get.
That's the chain guard.
Exhaust guard, rubbers, clips, guards.
Feel the weight of that.
What is it, light? Oh yeah, that don't weigh nothing, does it? Well, get all this out first, and then we'll have a look. Because we've still got all of that to go yet.
This is the instructions. Look.
Yeah, I know. Crazy, isn't it?
If you want it in another language, maybe we'll fit it in Chinese, make it a bit more challenging.
Do you know any Chinese?
Only what I'm ordering in a Chinese.
Alright, so that's it. That's what £7.5 grand gets you, isn't it? All of them bits, them exhausts, all that pipe work. Now, all of that stuff has got to squeeze back onto this. And then we can start this baby up, ride it.
Flat out.
Flat out, yeah? Right, so day 2. Well, it ain't taken 2 days. We didn't start doing it till late in the afternoon, did we?
No, we started about 1:30, didn't we? So we did all right because we got all the exhaust off.
Air filter. Oh, where's your white t-shirt? You got a different t-shirt on today, haven't you? What you got on today? Ducati Frejus. That's your French connection, isn't it?
South of France.
Yeah. Right, so yeah, got air filter. Put all this back on. Put the map in it. Fire her up.
Simple as that. There's a guy up the gym who's got RGV 250.
Has he?
I don't know the exact model, but he's rebuilt the engine completely. What's the kit you've got?
Tiger.
He's got the Tiger exhaust and stuff. Okay.
Shut that down. Well, that's easy enough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hang on, what's going on? What? Oh my God!
Jesus Christ!
Get out of it! Yeah!
Someone's been shoplifting again.
That's what I like about hypermotard riders. You know, they bring in the biscuits.
That's it.
That's alright, isn't it?
That's very good, so.
You can't moan about that, can you?
No one's moaning. I'm moaning about not
I
having
don't know.
one
There's a
now.
lot of theme going on. Keep bringing us biscuits, don't they?
I don't know why.
Oh man, have
Well,
you got no
I-
pictures of you in the 70s? No, when you was probably like
I've got a
teenage.
picture of me when I was about 2 months old.
Have you?
Yeah.
Did they have cameras then?
It's a stone carving.
We won't go hungry today, will we?
No.
Fans back in. It's quite a bit different to just like 2 bolts years ago changing your end cam.
Yeah, it's not like that at all, is it?
Hey lads, I just want to thank
Jesus
you for all
Christ.
the work you're doing on my bike and keeping it in tip-top shape.
You've been having some nice track days on it, I see.
Yeah, so I've got you a load of biscuits.
Oh, we just had a big delivery of
Give 'em to him.
biscuits.
Yeah, I've got you some cans of Coke for when you're
I've got no more hands.
at work, and then for after work, I've got
Some spillers as well.
these.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, so
Look, and there's more biscuits.
there's a load more biscuits there as well.
Right, look, just put these in my car. Thank you. Appreciate that.
My pleasure, man.
Cheers, cheers.
Thank you, pleasure,
How you been
pleasure.
getting on anyway? I see you've been doing loads of
The
track days
bike
and that.
is a weapon, man.
Yeah.
It's just destroy like one session in Almeria, you can do a whole front.
Oh, really?
In one session, not a day, a session. But other than that, she's been working like a dream.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Thanks for the biscuits and the beer and the Coke. We need a new biscuit cupboard. How many
said that.
biscuits do you think we've got
I
today?
don't know, we've got a load just today.
15, 20 packets?
Today. So that's all done, that side. Just check the other side, then we'll move on. Fans.
Fans, some fans there. After the last video saying about it broke for 10,000, subscribers.
Really?
So now, if everyone who watches this video subscribes, we can break the 20,000. Can I have your autograph? Just so, because you've probably still got a checkbook, then I can copy it.
Oh, no, you'll be up to no good, I know you.
Yeah. Oh, it's taking ages doing this, of course.
I'm the only one doing it.
I might do still shots next time. Put it all together, stop motion.
Can you do the speech bubbles as well?
Yes.
Do one now, fuck off. He's not my mate, just because he knows me. The police know me. Not my mate, am I?
The police know you, do they?
Only through you.
Well, you like the Pink Panther.
The rinky dink panther.
It's not the Pink Panther.
Pink pounder.
The Pink Panther.
The one and only, truly original. The wrinkly wonder.
Funny, isn't it?
Rear header pipes. Just got to bolt them on. Put the Lombard sensors in there. Right, so that was a little bit of a mission, rerouting these under here, because they usually come round the side. That was easy enough, wasn't it?
No.
There's quite a lot of bits there that make this up. He's put on all the cover, that cover's on, rest of the pipe's on. Is that past that now?
No, that won't go.
Yeah, it's got to go all the way down yet, look. Keep going down. Look at that, baby. Oh, we just got to take the cover off once that's fitted and all. It's got a little cover on this. Alright, so the map's in it. You're going to start this up? Yeah. So you can tell the map's in it. Because it says Racing Pro.
Yeah.
Now it's all done, all back together. Fairing lowers on. Let's have a little listen.
So it's got on this
A warm-up thing, isn't it?
a warm up, yeah.
Sweet. Let's take it out, see what it sounds like. Right, so that's the exhaust fitted to the bike. We have actually fitted 3 of these exhausts to 3 different bikes. So I'm going to take one of them out now and yeah, let's listen to it on the road. This is the one we're going to ride. This has got the little air scoops on the brakes as well. It hasn't got the mirrors, but it has got the system. Right, so we start it up. Engine warm up. Right, so we've got the GoPro on the back. Hopefully we're going to pick up the sound. Well, it sounds nice. These are so good, these V4Rs. Right, so as with the other exhaust video we just done, you know, cameras tend to try and muffle out the sound. So now the V4R, we've got 240 brake horsepower, 167 kilos. Man, that sounds so good on the downshift. So good. Why would you pull out? Fuck. Now, unfortunately, the GoPro keeps just trying to fall off the back of the bike all the time, so you're just going to have to believe me how good this bike sounds. Can't really show you what 240 brake horsepower feels like on the road because it's quite crazy and highly illegal. I know I said if someone wants to buy me a Pikes Peak, but if someone wants to buy me a Panigale V4R, you know, I'll take one. Right, so unfortunately with that the GoPro just kept coming off the back. That was the best I could record today. But we are going out on one of these bikes again with a V4S and hopefully an SP. So yeah, we'll see what they're like when all of them 3 are together. Well, so there it is, the full Akrapovic wheelbarrow exhaust system on the new V4R. Yeah, of course, it's a lot of money for the exhaust. It's a lot of money for the bike, but man, what a bit of kit. It looks awesome, sounds awesome, and you know what, if you can afford it, then why not? As always guys, thanks for watching the video, hope you enjoyed it. This is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, and maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching.
You're an expert with the O2, aren't you? How'd you get there last time? By car?
Train.
Train? I've been on train for years. Do you have to buy a pass or something?
Or you can just use your card, tap in, tap
What
out.
card?
What? Like a cash card. Just tap in, tap out.
I've not got a cash card.
You haven't got a debit card, cash card.
I don't have a debit card.
Where do you fucking buy things?
I use cash.
What about when you buy something online?
I don't. I go to the shop and buy it.
You've not got a debit card, bank card, a normal card. It's like I'm talking Chinese to you.
What do you mean bank card?
It's like a credit card, but it's a bank card.
Yeah, I don't have that.
I don't know how you get around. How do you not have that?
I buy things with cash.
Yeah, but what about if you go somewhere and they don't take cash?
That's their problem. I'll go to the cash point, I'll get money out.
That card?
Cash point card?
Yeah, your debit card.
No, a cash point card.
What, you can't use it in a shop? Just for getting cash out?
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
You go to a cash point.
I'll have a look at your card.
I'll show you my card.
Oh, don't
show you now.
Show me now, bro. Well, anyway, that's how you'll get on and off trains. So what about when you go to the tube?
I've not been on a tube since I was 14.
Why not? Don't you like trains? I thought you went on the Orient Express once.
I've got a car.
What's happening here then?
He reckons,
Oh, Paul.
Paul
I
reckons,
don't reckon, I'm telling you.
he said he ain't
I
got
don't
a
have
debit
a
card.
debit card.
You haven't got a debit card?
I'll run you fucking start.
God.
You must have a card, Paul.
He said he's got a cash point card. He said no, it's a cash point card. I can't use it no real.
Of course you can. Let me see your card.
Oh,
So
yeah.
you're saying if you went into a shop somewhere, you can't buy something with
I'll
it?
buy it with cash, Nick.
You know what he does? Before he goes to the shop, he walks to the cash point,
He gets
the
the cash
out.
out.
I
then
know
goes
it's
to pay.
like a concept you're unfamiliar with, but I get cash and I hand it over to a person.
Yeah,
and
well,
they
no,
give
we
me
do
the
that.
goods.
I do that.
That's the exchange.
So, but what about if you wanted to buy something, say, it was like £1,000, Paul?
I'll take a grand with me. Well, you're on that stinking fucking train stuck underground. I'll be in the car, mate, with my cash.
I like the tube and the train. I like the train because you can look in people's windows as you go past.
I'm interested in seeing Paul's cash card now.
It's a cash point card.
So it's only to be used at cash points?
Yeah. I will get my card out. Right.
Let me look at it.
That's a cash point card.
I know you get cash out, but I'd say that's a debit card, wouldn't you?
No, there's a tenner.
It's a cash point card.
No, I think that is a cash, just a cash point. I don't think you can use it. I don't think you can use it as a debit. What's this one? What's the gold one?
What's the gold one?
Oh, yeah.
AA.
Yeah, that's important.
Are you joined to the AA?
He owns like 1,500 two-strokes, doesn't he? He's got to.
Do you know the best card in here?
What is that?
Nando's.
Rubbish, Nando's, because they only sell wine or beer.
They sell one in a can. Classy.
Nice.
Someone's had a bite out of that one already.
Brody, you want more? Anyway, let's just clear this up then. So what I've got is a cash point card, isn't it?
But who has a cash point card?
Me.